don't even need no gas, just brakes to slow the car down. That's all you need, bro. I like that the highway is empty. Sure, going back, yeah. We're in the grill, guys. We're in the grill. There's like changing rooms here. Look like a washroom. Oh. Initially it did, but I forgot that was the filling. Remember I showed you the video and they almost killed me out there? But this one is better. The one they had before was a 2. And 3 of us was on there. We have to hold on. My bad luck, I'm the only one that fell off. Cool. Maybe. Yeah. True. You're right. Here we are, guys, in the village. Margarita Village here. A lot of stores here. Make sure you come with your money if you're here. Because it's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you. Yeah. This is the biggest JMMB bank I've ever seen. There's a Scotiabank machine right over there as well. Oh, they got a Jabba's here. Yeah, the shrimp place. You're reading good, man. That's good. Keep it up. You're a good reader. What grade are you in? Ochi 2024, February. Stop this. Margarita Ville, Ochi. Alright guys, we're in Ochi. Ochi. Your host with the most is here, Tiff. Yeah, host with the most. Well, there's a little overcast, but the sun come in and out. The sun comes in and out. You calling me? Yeah. So this is Margarita, Ville, Ochi. What would I say? Last time I was here, I was over at Dave Lobster Place. I never really came to this side, but this is okay. A lot of tourists here. Do you work here? You mind if I ask you a question about the place?
Sure.
All right. So, like, what is the best time to come here?
The best time is in summer.
Summertime? So, like July, June?
June, July.
Okay. That's when it's at its peak. And what's the time to probably not come?
Well, we don't have a specific time. Not to come, it's all activity. When
Yeah.
you want to start coming.
So the peak time where you're gonna have a good time is June, July.
July, yes.
Okay,
In
nice.
the hot times.
Yeah. So what service do you offer here?
Alright, I am a lifeguard here, but we have different types of service. We have bar, we have just about everything for fun.
And would you say this is more family orientated?
No, not really. If you're having a bad day, Margarita Ville is the right place to come.
And what would you recommend for someone coming here for the first time?
Come out, enjoy yourself. We have a lot of fun, a lot of activities for you to enjoy.
Yeah. Okay. And would you say it's like a more family place or a single place? Single.
Just trust me, you might come here and find your wife.
Yeah. Really. I see that you guys do parties on Saturdays.
We do parties on Wednesdays and
Yeah.
Saturdays. Wednesdays are all the parties.
Yeah.
Saturdays are
Oh yeah. Check me out, Versace Dada on YouTube. Big up Canada. Where you guys from?
Florida.
Florida. Oh, I was just there. I was at where's that? Opalaka or something in Miami?
Oh, you vlogging? Miami?
Yeah.
You vlogging?
Yeah. Versace Dada. I like your hairstyle.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, my friend. So, are you from this area?
I'm from Discovery Bay.
Discovery Bay. Okay. Is that farther from here? Or?
It's about 40 minutes drive from here.
40 minutes. Wow. So you drive 40 minutes to and from to get here?
Yes.
Wow. That's amazing. You see that, guys? Talk about hard working. So now let the people know where they can find, like if they want to come and like go with you and you take them around. Give them your contact, your info.
Okay. My name is Donovan. You can come here and ask at any time where to find Donovan. I'm a lifeguard here. I'm not gonna give up my number.
You don't want them to call you? Well, if a beautiful lady see you from overseas and she wants to give you a call, hey, it happens, dude. I have a security guard at Emancipation Park. The guy said he met a girl and now he's on his way to the other side. Yeah, because you never know. It's worldwide, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's 1-876-299-1135.
You hear that? You hear that, ladies? Yeah, and he's ready. Yep, he's single and ready to mingle.
Right there.
Yeah. And he'll take you around, you know, show you the beautiful property. And you know this area very well.
Well, yes.
So you know the parties and the...
Party spot, the hot spot, the place to get laid and stuff like that.
Yeah, you see it? All right. And you need to know someone. One thing I would say in Jamaica, when you're coming here, you got to know someone that you're comfortable with so they could take you around. Because even me, myself, as a frequent visitor, I am still discovering new places that I've never been to before. Right? So you need someone to take you around and show you the places.
And I'm that perfect person.
Yes, guys. Yes. All right. So, guys. Which KFC is better? Kingston KFC or Ochi KFC? You guys let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. This KFC, we're in KFC, but Ochi KFC. Which KFC is better? Kingston KFC? Ochi KFC.
Got the wrap.
Alright, she got the wrap. So she's gonna try it.
Falling apart.
Tell you guys what it's about. If it tastes good.
Cranberries.
Yeah. One thing I don't like is KFC's fries. I prefer Popeye's fries. Popeye's fries have seasoning and...
Oh, damn, I can't bother with the seasoning, but I prefer Burger King.
I like the fries having flavor. This... no flavor. Put some salt in it. Not bad. You heard it, guys. So we're gonna dive into the